But every day I do a little bit. Tomorrow's transmission, then exhaust, catalytic converter down the bottom, and then should be ready for the road. Yeah. Yeah. Then installing new radio. I haven't finished yet. Just complete the wiring. Then I'm gonna do dash cam and rear cam, but it's not up there yet. Tomorrow I'll strip all of that apart. Then I have to take back that seat out again, and then run all the wires under the carpet. Alright. This is it for now. Yeah, doing catalytic converter on my 2001 Toyota Camry P0420. Yeah, so this is old cat, new cat. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it off, and all the corrosion up there, and I have to change all that. Yeah, try cleaning all these things up. Make sure when the pipe go back on the gaskets, it sleep level. Smoking now, all the new thing burning off the cat. New paint. New Catalytic Converter. Smoking. The Camry, the flex pipe all broken, so I'm trying to change it. Bolts are rusty. Yeah, well, cut one out already. Let's have one more on this side, but it take a while for cuts. I can't video and cut them at the same time, so I'm gonna cut and then come back. Yeah, the car in good shape. Alright, then I have the differential area. I already flushed the transmission, so I have to do this section up here. That's the differential section up here. See that bolt up there? That bolt is where you loosen in the differential section to take out the oil. Whoa, I think I turned the camera upside down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh man, where is it? Yeah, that section up there. Oh yeah, you gotta put fluid in that section right there, and then drain it here. So I already take off the transmission pan. I take out the transmission pan and flush that already with new filters and everything. Ready to do valve cover gasket and timing belts and water pumps and everything already. So I'm gonna finish cut that off. Yeah. Stay rusty. Reset. Alright. So I'm gonna cut this off now. Alright. Cut for now. Thanks for watching my channel. This is Keyless One Automotive. So if you really like what I do, please remember to like, subscribe, and share for more videos. And I always try to bring you all the best content, you know. So, alright, looking forward for more videos coming, guys. Alright, let me know in the comment section if you really like what I do. Thank you.